Salmon is not at all a complicated food to cook. Let's get you started with some basics. First, you don't wash salmon. People often think that you do this. Second, cut a piece that you like to the proportion of what you're going to eat. So this is about 3 inches wide, and that's probably good for one person. There's a lot of ways you can season it. I've already taken olive oil and put that on. And probably the most basic way is olive oil, lemon, which makes kind of like a lemon vinaigrette. And then you have to put salt on it pretty much. And then I have added ground black pepper. Other people like to do things like honey and ginger. That's a good way. A third way that I will make this sometimes is to put butter, oregano, garlic, salt, and black pepper. Other people, yet again, will put tomato sauce and garlic. I've even done pineapple and basil before. So salmon is a very versatile food. You can take it, you can cook it on the grill, just don't overchar it, or you can saute it in a pan, or you can bake it in an oven at about 400 degrees. It's not complicated, don't overthink it. And as well, a lot of people like me will leave the skin on the bottom, and then that way you cook it 7 minutes on one side, and then you can actually take a spatula and it will peel that right off. So you don't even need to remove it by filleting it beforehand. You certainly can if you want to. Other people will eat it right off the skin and leave the skin on the plate. That is up to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.